I want to talk about tax returns because people are so f***ing stupid when it comes to tax returns. It is frightening what I deal with on a daily basis. I recently had a guy, he owns 2 properties and he's going to buy an investment. I get the tax returns. He didn't claim any rent on the properties. Literally no rent. None. 0 for the past 5 years. He has not claimed any rent. And I'm baffled because he's like, oh, well, my mom lives in that unit. But your mom pays you. Yes. Okay, well, now this whole entire debt of the condo that your mom is paying for, the $1,000 payment, the $400 HOA dues, all goes against you. Then he had another rental of his own home that had 2 additional units. He didn't claim those. So he's got all this debt and no rent, which makes no sense. If you're filing your tax return and you own investment property, you get to write off what's called depreciation. It's a paper loss. They take the property and they depreciate it over a certain timeline, and it literally is on your tax return as a negative number. So if you claim the rent and you claim your expenses with the depreciation, you're really not taxed on it. In fact, he would get a benefit if he would have done it correctly. Didn't do anything. So he's got to go back and file amended returns. Then he's got to go back and file correct returns for this year. So if you can write off things, great. But it is tricky then when you're trying to go do a loan. You got to be careful and balance it both. I would say one thing, if you're going to think of buying a home, be very determined of who you're going to work with and what amount you need for income so that maybe if you are too aggressive with write-offs, you can pull back on that a little bit.